In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into MetaMask. To get started, open the MetaMask extension in your browser or launch the MetaMask mobile app on your phone. Before you continue, make sure you're using the official MetaMask app or extension. That's important because wallet security should always come first, and using the correct version helps protect your account and funds. Once MetaMask is open, look for the option that says Get Started or I have an existing wallet. If MetaMask has just been installed and you already have a wallet, choose I have an existing wallet. This tells MetaMask that you're not creating a new wallet from scratch and instead you want to access one that already belongs to you. Next, choose the login method that matches how your wallet was originally set up. If your wallet was created using Google, Apple, or Telegram, select the matching sign-in option and continue by logging in with that account. On the other hand, if your wallet was created using a secret recovery phrase, choose the option to restore or import an existing wallet and then enter your secret recovery phrase carefully. Take your time here and make sure everything is entered exactly as required, since even a small mistake can prevent the wallet from loading correctly. After that, enter your MetaMask password for that wallet and device. This is the password you created when setting up MetaMask on that specific device. If you're logging in through Google, Apple, or Telegram, keep in mind that MetaMask may require both the linked account login and your MetaMask password. So if you see multiple authentication steps, that's completely normal. From there, complete the remaining setup or login prompts that appear on screen. Depending on your device or login method, MetaMask may guide you through a few final confirmation steps. Just follow each prompt until the authentication process is complete. Once everything is verified, your wallet should load. Finally, take a moment to check your wallet details. Confirm that the correct wallet address and accounts are displayed. It's also a good idea to make sure your expected tokens and balances are visible. This quick review helps confirm that you've logged into the right wallet successfully and that everything is showing as expected. And that's it. You've now logged into MetaMask and verified that your wallet is ready to use.